This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 35 of Building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. We're continuing the forearm. We do at the centre of the forearm, part 2. You can't have two centres, really, can you? The end of the Marvel Universe. I don't think that the Marvel Universe is going anywhere. I know they've drifted away from movies towards series a little bit in the last year or two, but I don't think they're going to be disappearing anytime soon. There are still films planned and being made. So, yeah, I don't think the comics are going anywhere either. So, yes, we've got another strip to add, like a decorative bit to add to the part that we had last time, and hold that in place with some screws, nice and easy. Making it look nicer and adding to the width a little bit, I think. Doctor Doom, yeah, the famous bad guy from the Fantastic Four. There we go. All about him. If you want to read about Victor Doom, I'm thinking Victor. It might not be. Mark Waid, the librarian. I don't think he's an actual librarian. I'm assuming he's another artist. So there we go. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's see what we're going to build. So here we have today's part, another lightning bolt type thing, which goes on there like that. But before I pop it in, I'm going to check to see where the 3 screw holes are. There's nothing right at the top. Feels like there should be, but there isn't. It's going to go through there. So we've got 3 screws to put in place. Let's see if we can get those in there. Now these are the ones in the middle there. Once that's lined up, that should go in fairly easily, he says. Not getting it lined up properly. Going to be one of those things that's very, very easy to do, but is not proving easy for me today. Get that in there, come on. Holding that in the right place, so I know it's going to go there. Just, there we go. There we have it. So that's holding that in place down the end there. We'll get the other 2 in place as well. Top here, I say at the top, it's not really all the way at the top, but it's certainly up there. Going in there. Bit like that, but properly. Yeah, there we go, that's got that started. And I shall get the other one started as well, which is going in the middle. There. This is not a weight-bearing part, so it's not terribly important, but it's always good to get these tightened up properly anyway. So I shall do that behind the scenes. But that is another part added to the hugeness of the gauntlet. So that's that. I shall see you for the next and final part of this delivery next time, when we're going to be adding another panel to it. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.